Changing the language in the Square app can help you navigate the app more comfortably. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Locate the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or found in the profile section. Tap on it to enter the settings options. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings until you find the language or localization options. This section may be labeled as language or app language. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list by tapping on it. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired language, look for a Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. The app may refresh or restart to display the new language setting. Once you have completed these steps, the Square app will be set to your chosen language, making it easier for you to use.